So I understand you want to get into option trading and you don't know where to start. You can start here. Welcome to the LT family, and I appreciate you guys joining. Now, I created this free Discord so that you guys can have access to not only me, but to understand the very basics of option trading, the language of trading, between bullish, bearish, what calls and puts mean, what support and resistance levels means, the basics, as well as I teach you guys how I personally trade specific things like candlesticks, the break and retest strategy. Because one thing that I notice is most traders, especially unprofitable traders, don't understand candlesticks to the T. Every single candlestick literally tells a story, and I cannot emphasize that the most. Whether you trade futures, crypto, forex, or the stock market, candlesticks are always on your chart no matter what. So if you don't understand candlesticks, then you're already losing, which is why when I see a specific candle at a support level, I understand where the market's going to go, whether it's going to bounce here or actually it's looking for a break to the support level. And it's just by reading candlesticks. Now, I have it all in order. After you read candlesticks, then you go down to support and resistance levels because they complement each other. Like I just mentioned, when I see a hammer candlestick at a support level, I understand the market's most likely going to bounce here, especially if it starts creating some consolidation, bullish engulfings right at the support level, more hammers. Guys, it's so simple and easy. It's going to reverse here. But just learning those two things will not make you a super successful, profitable trader. You need to go down and learn the higher low concept, how to understand market structure. But on top of all this, not only do I teach it, I also drop a video right after that showing you guys how I personally trade these levels and trade these things on my own. Now, the best strategy that has been paying me the most money is the break and retest strategy. It is by far my favorite strategy and is super profitable. The risk to reward ratio is super nice. Low risk, but super high reward, especially if the market is following in your favor, which is what I also teach too, guys. You guys have to understand market structure. The market as a whole, as far as if you're trading the S&P 500s, then you also need to watch Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, and many more to see the whole market as a whole move together. It is more easier to follow the market trend. The trend is your friend. Now, all this might seem complicated at first, but I promise you, if you show up every single day and understand the language of trading, you'll pick up on it real quick. The difference between a well-disciplined trader and an uneducated trader is this. The uneducated trader only watches 10 minutes out of the 30-minute video, so only 33% of the video, and think that they understand the whole thing, the whole concept, and that they can start trading in the chart and they call it good. I've seen this many times. The well-educated, well-disciplined trader that becomes profitable in the end is the person that's watching the video all the way through several times as well, and even messaging me personally to ask me for a one-on-one session as well, which is free, and they want to learn more, which I'm always willing to do that because I love option trading, I love talking about it, and I love getting into the details as well because it's not as complicated as it looks. Now, when you first start, you might overcomplicate it and it might look real complex, but as you get more into it, you can simplify your strategy, simplify your technical analysis, and understand that it's actually as simple as it is. My trading strategy is real simple. Whether I'm bearish or bullish, it does not really matter. I'm more of a reactor. I'm not a predictor. I'm not here to predict where the market's going to go tomorrow, next week, next month. It doesn't matter to me. I can capitalize on whatever direction the market moves. But my favorite strategy is waiting for a break of a specific level, waiting for a retest for an entry, and that is how I make all my money. I'm consistently profitable, and if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys will see my losses are very small compared to my wins. And it's off this very simple strategy, the break and retest strategy. So not only will I teach you guys that, but you guys have access to me to ask me one-on-one, live lectures, live trading sessions, and I'm willing to answer anybody's questions that wants to learn more. Now, if you want to advance your trading skills, then you need to join the premium membership to get more access to a bigger community with over 200 members, more access to the live lectures, because I'm only offering you guys half access to my actual full Discord, but you guys can still learn a lot. I'm dropping gems in this Discord. I'm giving you guys my trade ideas, where I plan to enter at, as well as I'm giving you guys one-on-one coaching if you guys really need it. So I hope to see you guys in the trading floor. If you guys have any further questions, please reach out to me and ask me specific questions. Always willing to hop on any voice chat and talk about more about trading. And like I said, the way to get started, go into live recorded lecture tabs and start on terminology video, whether you're new. And if you're more experienced but want to learn more, as well as even if you're new, then you need to go into candlestick video, support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement type levels, how I specifically trade candlesticks, as well as how I specifically trade support levels and resistance levels. And overall, I'm just trying to help you guys become a profitable, successful trader and be able to quit your job like I did. Now we're super free, and after I trade and make my money in the first couple hours of the morning, I go on about my day and have the ability to do anything I want. But that's why we still hit the gym, still go work out, eat right, make sure our mental game is on point. So I want to help you guys. I've been in your shoes to understand what it's like to be a non-profitable trader, unsuccessful trader, taking losses every single day of the week, and have a negative week, a negative month. I'm trying to show you guys how you guys can become profitable, successful, get the mental game on point, be well disciplined in trades, wait patiently for a specific setup, because understand, we're not trying to predict the market, we're reactors. We're waiting for a reaction to find the best trade setup in our favor. So I hope to see you guys in the trade zone. please message me if you have any personal questions. Have a good rest of your guys' day, and thank you for joining the LT fam.